Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and today I'm here to talk to you about our LED low-profile pontoon and boat docking lights. That is RP-1801. These nice little lights feature a low-profile design, so they look very nice on your dock or boat. They use 9 very bright and power efficient LED lights, so you're nice and visible any time of the day or night. They also feature a very simple 2-wire design, which makes wiring and installation very easy. They're also very durable, making them even better for your marine or boat or docking needs. These lights also include both white and black foam rings, which you can see here. So you can match it up to your design and color however you want. They also include all the screws needed for installation. These lights are available for purchase in both single and double packs, so you can choose to get 1 light for your purchase or 2 lights for your purchase. If you like this product and you want to know more about it, click the link in the description below. If you like this video and you want to see more of what RecPro has to offer in the future, like this video and slap that subscribe button. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.